本期视频的主角是来自前 nrg 的职业歌Sam，美服排名第14名，富人800分的对局，用奶妈在深寒东港这张地图打出了349的战斗评分，32次击杀，各种意想不到的兵强点位，游龙的身法加上职业级的瞄准，观赏性极强，学到就是赚到。手枪举起标配，小甲加兵强。 兵强不要开局就放，等敌人快接近时再放。
Call for wall.
JC thing in 27.
Viper or mid? Do we see Viper or no?
No. Maybe. I'm all
Like,
in.
Viper's lurking maybe.
No. Fade's there. They're both there.
Oh.
One enemy remaining.
Oh my,
my gosh.
days, Yasina's doing the thing. Let's get you this.
Is it a
clip,
remake?
brother.
Did I miss him in spawn?
Brother.
I don't see him.
Move out
But he
my
could have
way.
lurked. I think he lurked
No,
through
I'm not
B.
playing.
Like
Move out my way.
Move out
Okay,
the fucking
yo.
way. He's not
Bro.
playing.
he didn't dart, did he?
Yeah, he did.
He did.
What? Okay, I went through spawn though. He's on
Wait,
A. What?
Can you please stop? It's distracting me.
这里挂绳索跳是可以上来的，你们可以照着
My
视频
QB
里多
never
试
got
一
sacked
试。
all 4 years.
Come on, brother. I think we tamed the mouse, brother.
Guy, can someone give me 5? I'll take 5. Wow.
That would be sick, actually.
Bro, I'll take $5.
听到有脚步声，直接放兵墙，
Go for the
然后躲
wall.
毒墙后规避枪线。
All up, brother.
One up. Oh wow.
Close maze and one jail.
Yo, chill. Whoa. What do you do? They walled B. You should come B.
Wait, actually, no.
Wait.
I'm actually curious. Why don't you use your fucking mic?
He's a bum. Turning B.
Of course he's a bum. Wait, this guy.
What?
This
That
is the
gets
guy
me
that
in the
shit-talked
orb?
Katie.
Wait.
Me up.
Use your mic,
We're
pussy.
down.
Yeah, I'm
I'm all in
on.
default.
Yeah, he's lucky he's not in front of me, brother. 3 years of NNA, bro. Like, he could really catch me.
Backing
man,
up.
Sam.
这里的兵强不知道是放输了还是故意的。
Viper.
先来看一下正确方式，瞄准4根钉子的中间，然后再对准箱子上方，跳蹲，左键释放即可。这是一个很非常规的位置，站这里直架过点就好，对方不可能预秒这里。虽然Sam的这个兵墙没放好，但是效果也还可以，依旧是一个非常规的位置，还可以左右横跳架黄箱。
You see both or no?
Yeah, I don't know.
I have an
Walk
OD.
down.
I'm gonna spam plant.
I think he got bomb. No, maybe? He got bomb. Yellow.
Both. I'm darting.
Ugh, 40 Sova.
Last player standing.
Both there.
走位规避一下探测键，
Hanging default.
对面是不知道Sam的位置的，迟迟没有下包。 打掉 Viper 立马换位置，开枪这臂跳下来落地的声音，晃声看到猎枭的位置，然后选择到右边直架，架了几秒，猎枭没有主动来找，再选择往前摸。
Nice.
Oh wow.
Wait, get the Odin behind you.
Yeah, so use your
Rex,
mic.
your
you
mom
gotta
doesn't
talk
like
smack
you.
on
这回合
both
选
sides,
择站在
brother.
地
You
面
can't
上
stand
立
one
墙，
sided. Lame. Call for wall.
这个墙不仅可以封住锅点，还可以站在上面架枪，也是非预秒位。
Whoa.
Don't say that.
Wait, it's actually true.
Literally sent you in your room with 3 Xboxes.
Okay, my Xbox was actually in the library when I played it back in the day.
Face your fear.
I'm walling.
Heavy.
敌方黑梦开大招要进点，
Heavy
跟毛
不断给一个冰球拖延，然后退后点。
Molly deep. I hate this map.
I mean, we need some guys.
Just real quick, though.
No, it's alright. It's alright.
Coming A, brothers. Coming A.
这张地图简直就是奶妈的老家，防守能放的冰墙位
Wall
置
up,
太多
brother. Wall
了。
up.
One mid.
Oh, I'm
bin,
sorry.
bin.
Sorry. Walled up.
You might be able to kill this guy.
He comes back to clear me for his teammate. What the fuck?
Wall down in 3. Wall down. Nice.
Last player
1
standing.
HP fade. Need some fucking guys.
Missing some guys on it. I can bring some guys on it.
Like, I wish this fucking guy would use his mics. He just shit talks.
He's probably like 15. He's probably like
14 apparently.
One mid.
shot this
He's
guy.
not raised normally as a kid.
Call for one.
Walk on the team.
Wall open, wall.
Yeah, I'm dead.
Your duty is not over.
I didn't.
Hold down. In 3.
After it, like this.
Well done.
I'm joining.
知道 Viper 是在上面开大腿，过绳索过去直接抓。
They're leaving, maybe. No.
Good bomb.
Got. Dart in 4. The Silva could wrap mid. He did.
One enemy
I think
remaining.
this guy's
Running for you.
这里有个小细节，这个墙放在绳索的中间，站在两边贴住冰墙，都是可以挂上绳索的。
Abba.
残局2v1不知道敌方位置的情况下，而且井家的方向刚搜过，是没有人的。Sam 选择挂绳索去找人，有点给机会了，
He's
最后也是输掉了
still-
这回
Bro,
合。
actually, no, this
39%.
Phoenix- legit, I don't beef with anyone, but this Phoenix is like some kid that actually needs
Call for
to
wall.
get discipline. Dojo. Wall.
Wall raised.
Jim.
Let me stand behind you.
There's a gun down backside.
We're watching mid, real quick.
Wall or no?
Well, no. It's going down in 2. Well done.
Wait, going B, going B. It sounds like.
What's there?
One might be lurking on B already.
Yeah. One's for sure.
Call for orb. I have orb. Oh.
Dude, he's already yellow.
这张图回防的时候，一定要小心中路敌方的断后。
Spike
Viper
planted.
fade planted.
One, maybe snowman. I'm not gonna lie. Yellow.
Silva yellow.
B main.
I have orb
know.
for bomb.
Check for someone's
Hate me,
site.
man.
Last player
A
standing.
Double swing?
I
Sand.
just lag. I'm
He doesn't
ulting.
use his mic. Check it here.
I wouldn't do if I had no friends. Honestly.
Mid.
It's always the nasally voice.
Wall
Guys.
raised.
Wall's still up. They're gonna leave though.
Yeah, they still would.
Hey, good flash, bro.
I'm gonna keep it
looking good.
100. I think it's silver sniping.
You missed your molly, by the way. Just letting you know.
I don't think he knows.
He doesn't know.
Caution here.
1 HP on fade.
Trying to come B?
Yeah. I have it. You watch my garage? I have the.
A hard bait.
Yeah, okay, that's fine.
Guys, I'm through A. They could be mid.
Why a 14-year-old not in school right now?
I don't see anything mid. 2 mid.
这回合一 CO 局
Up,
，Viper 开局在 A 放
already
大，
up,
对面也不敢冒险去打包点，选择从中路包夹 B，
Up,
40秒才开始打进攻，对面也没仔细清点，被 Sam 偷掉背
Okay,
身
he's。already in kitchen fighting.
Spike down.
Kitchen inside.
从中路赶到的火男，收下了敌方的侧身，翻盘了这一分。
Dead.
He was there. Yeah, kitchen.
Nice.
I got him.
You're still
Let's
bad.
go.
bro.
And now we have.
Make Baja Blast at your house. It's not hard. It's just Powerade Mountain Dew.
Not the same, gang.
Nah, it literally is the same. That's how we make it.
Face
At least
your
they find-
fear.
Wall up.
I'm so dead. 140. Nice.
Sus.
You all
joining.
three?
I'm a journal.
We
I'm
saw
already.
fade and Silva. Yeah, I'll throw it.
Yeah,
I'll
I
take
have them
Silva.
contain. I have them contain.
One enemy remaining.
down.
Default.
Is ready.
Default.
Nice.
Freaking go,
Wait, I'm on
dude.
pie watch.
Wait.
I literally have 0 likes. You can look.
You're
Get
so
out of my
cool.
way.
I'm too cool. There's B.
It's like 5B, I think.
来了，大的要来了。
Watch this.
100 on Jet, 83 on Silva.
这就是前面我们教过的点位，飞鱼秒位极限控枪，收下2人。
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Yes! I got one. I got one.
Nice.
I'm saying
I
it.
might call it.
Gonna call it if he pies.
先挂绳索跳到这个箱子上
Not fine.
然后往脚底放冰墙即可，没有太多的技巧。
Go for the wall.
Bro.
他在游龙，
One enemy remaining.
It's just so hard.
I'm
to
lurking
hold
B.
this
I'm
fast.
lurked B. I'm on B.
He actually
That's
probably
what the Viper's saying right now. Yeah. Yep, 80. That guy's friends at school, for sure.
He's like the Phoenix.
Here.
Wait, I'm 3 and 10. This is actually if I get to 3, are you? Okay.
Oh yeah, baby.
I'm gonna
the spike.
go. Yo, whoa. Yo.
Yo,
the bomb.
dude.
Give me the bomb. You got wall for
Wall
me?
for you, yeah.
Pretty much one, dude.
I'm gonna get mullied. Quick.
Wall raised.
Here, yeah.
Oh, there's a hole in it.
There's a hole.
Bro. What the
Spike
flip?
down B.
You just want me to pie.
Can you feel? Please.
Yeah, I feel. Bro.
I'm coming back for you. Oh, never mind.
No man.
I got one more snow. Yeah.
I've turned. Wait.
Yo, one sight and one snow.
Let me turn.
Alright, it's fine. I mullied him.
I'll kill
One close,
Sage
one close,
guy.
C4.
I'll kill
I don't know
Sage
why I
guy.
mullied him.
Oh my god.
I'm 1 HP. I'm a dirty snowman. 2 snowman, 2.
One more snow, Sova.
One's default.
Yep.
这里我不知道他为什么不选择给队友加
Oh,
血
you。went orange? You went
美服
orange?
高分局特色，一次有局响起。
Stop, bro, stop.
Save it,
Bro.
save it.
I got it.
What about that one, Logan?
I don't break that one. I'm walling. Nice. Walling up. Bait me. Ah! Yo. Nice. One more.
Spike
Well done.
down A.
Has a Marshall say?
Oh, do I DC?
贴在冰墙是可以
Our
挂
Sage
绳
is
索
van,
的，
Lucas. Chill.
这个前面
Yeah,
我
it's
们
fine,
也
it's
讲
fine.
过。
Someone has to plant.
对面肯定想不到奶妈能开这里上来，直接看都没看。
Both heaven, no?
Oh.
Wait. Screens.
You feel?
Oh, wait. Oh my.
Nah, I'm like that.
Thanos right now.
This is gonna make me mad. This is gonna make me mad.
Revealing area.
Pushing up.
Reloaded.
Circles up, please. I think.
Hey, is there?
Walls up. Walls down in 5. Mauling backside. Wall down.
Backside.
I got mine. Yes.
Enemy remaining.
Yes,
Wall up.
Logan!
Good flank.
He darted.
Now
He
we got
darted.
one. Can I get on the wall?
I gotta heal.
Oh my god. That was so hard.
Yeah.
So.
Revealing area.
对准大门中间的缝隙，从右往左处，瞄准第3个红色箭头的左边一点，对着黑色阴影处左箭投出即可。这是一颗阻止防守方前压的冰球。
在这儿。
One more. On there.
Spike down A.
Orb down. Fado's mid. Give heal.
Take flight.
There's 3 here. Close. 3. There's 3.
Yo!
Okay.
I swear. I die, I res.
Scanning ahead.
Yeah, I'd mid. There's like 3 or 4 here. Nice. Let's go. Phoenix ult. I'll follow you. Well done.
Wallet. Just wallet.
立冰墙复活队友，
Ooh, and I'm
70.
back.
I can't kill anyone. Backside. Sova. 3 backside. Viper, Sova, and Jet. All 3 here. All 3.
Oh, both.
Keep going.
Spike down A.
I'm after. Starting Raptor. I think Raptor is.
One enemy
Oh
remaining.
wow,
Is there-
backside,
is
backside.
Last player standing.
So since he didn't gamble, he's there. You know what I'm saying?
Oh,
Running up. Waiting.
Oh my.
Yeah, copy.
Oh, no healing.
开局猎枭开大，黑梦丢了一个捆绑 ，Viper 杀掉了解封，得到了3个人在他点的信息，果断转避。
Cross mid, just clear it.
Viper 已经摸到了 B 包点，队友大脚步跑去下包 ，Sam 选择中路抄屁股，只要安置下爆冷气，有 B 点的队友和中路的 Sam 两面的枪线，对面是很难拆这个包的。
Eyeball. Playing my ult.
These are the guns here. Oh, we should have fought for it. My bad.
Train harder.
Jet with snow, right now none. I'm guessing the double. Yeah. Do you want me to play Civil and you rep?
Yeah, I'm playing ult. Something.
One enemy remaining.
Wait, let me out.
Not on.
I'm gonna just turn him. I do.
Off.
Off. Oh no.
听到解封拆包，猎枭直接开大，然后上面
Yo,
也很
you're a
能整活
criminal.
直接一枪把解封堵
Like
在这
you're,
里，
bro's
活
actually
活被
playing
射
Fortnite
死
right。now.
Yeah, I have to change it because this mouse 3 on
I want them to like
can't
kind of rotate mid.
bro.
Revealing area.
Yeah. Down.
Okay, yeah, I'm down for that too. Yeah. Walling up.
Yeah, I've done.
Deploying drone.
Okay.
Top screen. One how.
Bells more than you've ever made, brother. That's just embarrassing. I'd be in suspension too if I were you.
Yeah, you know, got life cutting out for you.
Yeah, no.
I need to heal, brother.
It's happening to you. You don't have a diploma. I'm gonna ult say.
Screen. Top screen. Drop.
Hey, drop down.
Drop. 2 health, I think.
Other.
Can you hold me?
Yes.
No healing.
Yeah, he
He's
definitely
fuming,
has
he's
it, like, nasally, but
I that one actually pissed him off a
he
little bit.
definitely has it.
fuming.
It's the fact he's like mad about it.
No, he talks about Taco Bell like he doesn't eat there every day. Like what? I probably have seen this man.
Reloading.
I'm backside.
Spotted A.
My ultimate is ready.
I'm gonna turn him. Wait, Jen.
Night night.
Heaven, Viper heaven. Do we see Jet?
No,
Yeah, I got
good
flame.
flame.
Have your belt.
One enemy remaining. Long.
Nice.
Nice.
Hey,
Wanna
is
see
he
him on
asleep?
Jet?
Ooh, Josh
His Jet's
Allen.
too good.
Busy.
Last time he was on my team, he went 4-20 on KJ. We can res that.
Okay, I've joined. Let me join. There's 4 here, bro. 4. Go back.
Logan's about to kill them all though.
No, I'm not. I'm panicking. I'm freaking out.
Last
And then
There's
yep,
one on B.
yep.
strike down mid.
Oh, GG, we won.
Barrier create. I have this fight. Your duty is not over. Last player standing.
Is that a guy in crew, actually?
There's a gap.
I'm gonna gamble wall A, and our Phoenix is gonna run it down, and Sova's gonna dart. It's gonna be awesome.
Drink Caprice now.
Alright, go B.
What? This guy said, can you drink Caprice?
So obvious.
You get full armor.
Go A. Just don't die. Don't get seen by the dart yet.
Fighting.
Perfect. Well done. In 3.
They know what's a fake is.
Yeah, we gotta go. I'm mulling back, Jen. Backside, perfect. Okay. You guys wanna play off, or we have Silva? Actually, it's not fun for
You
us.
guys fight off. Sure.
Okay. Just play like back a little bit and don't die like our moron Phoenix. They're gonna eye soon.
I'm gonna ult off the retake.
What? On the screen.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay.
For you.
One enemy remaining.
Come on.
GG, guys. Raxi, hopefully you find something in your life.
Anything.
Anything, seriously.
Something or anything.
Like just something in your life that just like gives you happiness.
Win.
Now to know what we
Get the carry.
Besides
We're
this
good
game, it's the only dopamine rush you'll ever get is this game, bro.
I love how Logan did all the shit talking for me.
It's amazing.
Like, I didn't even have to say anything.
I think that's amazing. My guy loves you.